let's start with the new exercise today. This exercise 12.2. The sums which we have done in the previous exercise, they are quite different. Again, all the sums based on the Heron's formula which we have learned in the 12.1. But here all the sums are twisted. So this sums of this exercise, the sums are far better than the sums which we have done in 12.1. So let's start with the first question. It is given that a park which is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, where angle C is given right angle, the length of AB is given 9 meter, BC is 12 meter, CD is 5 and AD is 8 meter. So we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So first the question that we have to find out the area of a quadrilateral. As Heron's formula is used for the triangle only. So now this is the surprise that how we can find out the area of this quadrilateral. So you can see that here they have given the hint, that is angle C which is given right angle. So what I am going to do, I will join the diagonal BD. So now we can see that this quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two triangles. One is triangle ABD and another is BCD. If you obtain the length of BD, so the area of triangle ABD can be found out by Heron's formula and BCD is also find out. Then we'll do the sum of this both the areas of the triangle and we finally reach to the answer. So now the question arises how we can find out the length of BD. If you observe this carefully, that triangle BCD, D is right angle. The length of BC and CD we have, so we can find out BD using the Pythagoras. So it is very interesting to understand we have to find out BD. If you joined AC, then we do not have angle B or angle D right angle. So there is no meaning to join AC. Because of that only we have to join BD. इसलिए हमने BD join किया because angle C is given right angle. So let's first write down the data what is given, that in quadrilateral ABCD, angle C which is given right angle, the length of AB is 9, BC is 12, CD that is 5 and AD is given 8. Now for triangle BCD, as we have discussed that angle C given right angle, we'll use Pythagoras. Let us recall what the Pythagoras, जो हमने already chapter 1 में सीख लिया था जब हम represent कर रहे थे irrational numbers on a number line, root 2, root 3, root 5. तब हमने एक बार Pythagoras discuss किया था. So let us recall again. Pythagoras theorem क्या है? The Pythagoras theorem can be used when we have to find out the length of the side of any right angle triangle. I remind, Pythagoras theorem right angle triangle के लिए जब कोई side ढूंढना है, at that time only it can be used. So as we can see triangle BCD, we have BC and CD, so BD can be found out. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? So it is said that the square of the hypotenuse is the opposite side of right angle. अगर C right angle है तो BD hypotenuse हुआ. BD square is the sum of the square of the other two sides. So this is Pythagoras. Square of BD is BC plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. We have BC that is 12 and we have CD that is 5. Let's do the sum of this two, that is 12 and 5. The sum of 12, square of 12 is 144 and 5 is 25. So we will obtain here BD square is 169. We know BD 169 is a square of 13, so BD is 13. Now we obtain BD here, which is 13. Now as we discussed earlier, we can find out the area of BCD and area of ABD. Then we'll do the sum of this two. सबसे पहले हम area of BCD ढूंढते हैं. As it is a right angle triangle, so we can use half into base into height. आप हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते हो मगर वो ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. सो हम सबसे पहले विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बीसीडी. सो एरिया ऑफ बीसीडी we can use half into corresponding base into height. So that is half into 12 into 5. You can see here we'll get the area in the 3 steps only. अगर आप हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला से इसको ढूंढते, so it takes the whole page to complete. We obtain BCD area. Now let's go for ABD. ABD cannot be obtained by this formula as we do not have any altitude or right angle. So for triangle ABD हम हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. So A can be written 13, B is 8, 9 और C is 8. You can give any value as A, B and C as we discussed. सबसे पहले as ढूंढना पड़ेगा, that is the semi perimeter. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. So it is 13 plus 9 plus 8 divided by 2. Sum of all this, so 17 plus 13, that is 30 divided by 2. So the value of S which we obtain here, that is 15. So we obtain S as 15. Again 15 is the largest value. Let's find out the area of ABD. हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला हम यूज करेंगे. सो S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, the whole square root. I hope you are understanding why we are using the Heron's formula to find out the area of ABD. Because there is no right angle, that is why. Let us substitute the value of S. 15, then S minus A, that is 13, S minus B, that is 9, and S minus C, that is 8. This is the same way which we have done the previous, all the sums of the previous exercise. 15, the subtraction is 2, the subtraction is 6, and the subtraction is 7. To find out the square root, we'll do the prime factors. 15, 3 into 5, 2 as it is, 6, that is 2 into 3, and this is 7. Let's see that 2 we have 2 times, 3 we have 2 times, and 5 and 7, they exist only one time. So when we do the square root, the power which is even number should come out, and 5 sevens are 35. So area of ABD we obtain 6 root 35 meters square. As in the question, we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So let's find out area of quadrilateral ABCD. Can we find out area of, can be written as area of BCD plus area of ABD. The area of BCD, that is 30, and ABD is 6 root 35. We can say one is rational, another is irrational. It cannot be added. So we come to the answer. If you wish to take out 6 common, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is, as 30 plus 6 root 35 meters square, which is the area of the required quadrilateral. Let's see the question number 2. That this question can be correlated with the first question which we have done. Again, it's a quadrilateral given where AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4 and AD is 5, as well as AC is given 5. So it is not like the previous question that one angle is given and we have to find out the this diagonal. They have already given the length of the diagonal AC here. So again we can find out the area of this triangle ABD and ACD. So let's find out the area of triangle ABD and ACD. Both the area can be find out using the Heron's formula which we have already learned. But I want to explain one good thing about this question. Let's see especially for triangle ABC. So you can see in triangle ABC, the length of AB, BC and AC are given. I'll do the square of this. AB square, that is the square of 3. Why I am doing this, I'll just explain after completing this. BC which is given 4, the square of BC that is 16, and AC that is 5, the square of AC is 25. So you can see that if I do the sum of AB square and BC square, that is equals to AC square. So what I want to explain here, that for any of the triangle, whenever we obtain the sum of the square of the any two side equals to the square of the third side, दोबारा एक बार, हम कोई भी ट्राइंगल के लिए whenever हम जब भी कोई भी दो साइड के स्क्वायर का एडिशन अगर वो तीसरे साइड के स्क्वायर जितना हो रहा है, so we should identify or we should confirm that this is a right angle triangle. मतलब ट्राइंगल ABC राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. After obtaining that it is a right angle triangle, let's identify which angle is right angle. तो अब हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि right angle कौन सा है. So you can see that is one easy way to identify. हम देखेंगे कौन से दो साइड के स्क्वायर में कॉमन वर्टेक्स क्या है. अगेन हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे जो दो साइड का स्क्वायर किया है उसमें कॉमन वर्टेक्स क्या है, दैट इज बी. So we should identify that angle B is right angle. This is one way to identify that which angle is right angle. एक और बार समझ लें, कोई भी ट्राइंगल के लिए we'll do the square first of all the three sides, then we'll identify the sum of any two can be third one, square of third side. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो we can come to the conclusion that it is a right angle triangle. Now which angle is right angle? We can say that जो दो साइड के स्क्वायर में कॉमन वर्टेक्स है that is considered as a right angle. Now it is quite easy to find the area of triangle ABC. हम हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा. अगर एक क्वेश्चन में आपको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो फॉर द हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन वन मेथड टू हियर, दैट्स अ न्यू आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव डन दिस मेथड. सो फॉर ट्राइंगल एबीसी हम अब एरिया ढूंढेंगे. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी, as it is a right angle triangle, so we can say half into base into height, that is half into 4 into 3. Now you can see it's so easy to find out the area in 2 steps. It's obtained 6 centimeter square. हमें एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी मिल गया. अगर आप हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला करते तो यहां से शुरू करते, शायद इधर या इधर खत्म होता. अगर हम एडीसी के लिए चेक करना चाहे कि वेदर इट इज अ राइट एंगल और नॉट, तो हम सिंपल समझ सकते हैं कि 5 का स्क्वायर करेंगे 25, फिर ये 5 का स्क्वायर करेंगे 25 और 4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 16. सो वी कैन सिंपली सी दैट कोई भी दो का सम तीसरे जितना नहीं आ रहा है. मैंने ये तीनों स्क्वायर इधर इधर और इधर किया, दिस 3. सो वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट कोई भी दो स्क्वायर के साइड का एडिशन कोई भी दो तीसरे जितना नहीं आ रहा है. सो इट इज क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस ट्राइंगल ACD is not a right angle triangle. So obviously the area can be find out using the Heron's formula. So for triangle ACD हम Heron's formula use करेंगे. We have A can be written 5, B can be written 5 and C is 4. So first we need to find out the semi-perimeter, sum of all the sides divided by 2. That is 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 divided by 2 that is 7. I have written direct here. Now as we obtain the semi-perimeter S, let us find out the length of, let's find out the area of triangle. So area of triangle ACD, again by the Heron's formula, as I told you the reason, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, the whole square root. We have the value of S as well as we have the value of A, B and C. So let us substitute this value here. S is 7, 7 minus A, 7 minus B and 7 minus C. Square root. 7 as it is into 2 and this is 3. So we can see that 2 times here, 3 and 7 is one time only. So when I'll do the square root, so we'll get the area of ACD. It's 2 into root 21 centimeter square. But as in the question, we have to find out the area of ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is the area of ABC plus area of ACD. That area of ABC we have 6 centimeter square and this is 2 root 21. If you wish to take out 2 common, that also fine. अगर आप common नहीं निकालोगे तो भी चलेगा. So this is the area of quadrilateral ABCD which we obtain.